here's the thing, what you thought we had never lasted. It was good at first, but eventually I could see between all the cracks, yeah. You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. And now we done it, you.
Right, so we're here at Fatcat today to test some bits on the bike. Got some triple clamps to try, some suspension settings and whatever. Just try and get rid of this arm pump. Like, really struggling at the minute with the arms. So yeah, we'll change the clamps. Paul's here from Gear Tech, so he's gonna start stripping the bike apart, and yeah, hopefully we can come to some sort of solution for his arms and get out front at the races. Nicely fed in there, Paul. Loki taking out the 450. So finished here today at Fatcat. Had a good day testing, changed some triple clamps on the bike, some suspension settings, and yeah, feeling a lot better, a lot more comfortable on the bike, and not getting arm pump. So that's a good start, and yeah, hopefully we can go to weekend and try and battle for a win, because I need to pull some points back. So we'll see how it goes, and see you at weekend.